Hello everyone, Grandma here. Today I'm making the King's Arms Cabbage and Pepper Slaw. This is a very old recipe from the King's Arms Tavern in Colonial Williamsburg, Virginia. The King's Arms Tavern first opened in 1772 and has continued to operate as a reproduction 18th century tavern, restaurant, and living history museum. I don't know how far back this recipe actually goes. It was published in the mid-1900s as a historical recipe from the tavern. It is a very interesting coleslaw because it does not use any mayonnaise. The dressing is made from oil and vinegar. Here are the ingredients. 6 cups of grated cabbage, 1/4 cup thinly sliced celery, 1/4 cup thinly sliced onion, 1/4 cup diced sweet red pepper, 1/2 cup of cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1/8 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of celery seeds, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. The first thing to do is put the celery in the 6 cups of cabbage that I had grated, and then now we're adding the onion, and we're adding the red pepper. Now if you don't have red peppers and you want to make this, you can use green peppers also. And this is very simple, and all now I have to do is mix this very well. And as you can see, it looks colorful with the red peppers, little pieces of red peppers. And also with the cabbage, this was grated, but you could chop your cabbage any way you want, any way to your likings, how you like your cabbage to be chopped for coleslaw. I mixed this very well, and now I'm going to go to the second step, which is very easy. We have to mix the dressing up now. Now to make the dressing, we have to add the vinegar to a small bowl, the apple vinegar, the sugar, the pepper, and the celery seed. And then we have to mix it well. You want to mix it till the sugar gets dissolved. Now my mother always used celery seed when she made her coleslaw. Now, as you know, we don't use salt, but if you wanted to use salt in this recipe, you add just 1/2 teaspoon. And that's all you have to use. Very little salt. And now I'm going to add the vegetable oil. And as you can see, this is all that is needed for the dressing. Very, very easy. And for anybody that does not like mayonnaise in their coleslaw, this would be perfect because there's no mayonnaise. It's just an oil and vinegar dressing. And as you can see, it's very simple. Now the dressing was stirred very well and all the sugar is dissolved. So now I'm ready to pour it into my coleslaw mix. So now, as you can see, this is a very, very easy recipe. The only time it takes is to chop up your vegetables. Otherwise, it's very, very simple. Okay, as you can see, I mixed it very well, and now I'm going to put it into my serving bowl that I have a lid for it, and then I'm going to stick it in my refrigerator. And that has to be refrigerated for a few hours, and then you have to mix it well again before you serve it. So this is going to be so good. I'm sure Grandpa's going to like this because he loves coleslaw. And then we're going to put the lid on, and then it will be refrigerated. And that's how you make this nice and easy coleslaw. Grandpa is going to taste the coleslaw now that it's been refrigerated a few hours. How does it taste, Grandpa?
Let you know in a minute, Ma. Very good. Very flavorful. The peppers. The nice dressing, very different compared to the other coleslaw that we normally eat that's made with mayonnaise.
So would you have this again? Would you like me to make this again?
Definitely. Very good.
Especially since we eat a lot of cold salad during the summer, right? And it's great with hot dogs, or if you're having hamburgers or anything.
You did a good job, Ma.
Thanks, Pa. And thank you everyone for watching.